Today we're going to make this foot a lot better. What we see is an arthritic bump on the top of the big toe joint. Most people that come in think it's a bunion, but this is an arthritic bump.
Yeah.
We usually see it on top. And the big toe is going over, swinging over, and eventually is going to deform the smaller toes. What we're going to do today, quite simply, is just make a small poke, smooth this big bump down because she can't wear shoes anymore, and bring this big toe over to straighten it so it's not pushing the other toes. There won't be any stitches, there won't be any metals, no casts, no crutches, no plastic walking boots. It won't take very long, and this patient's going to walk out on their own 2 feet with a much more comfortable and beautiful foot. So just the small poke.
I don't feel anything.
Good.
No, okay. No, I don't feel anything. I just feel it touching my toes.
And just underscore the soft tissue in the capsule.
Project one. That's it.
There we go. That feels great. No more big bumps.
It's so easy. No, I told them, they said it takes 5 minutes. It's what I don't.
Just a small poke will straighten up nicely. Now let's see if the big toe comes over. Perfect. Nice and straight. No stitches. Bump is gone. Toe is perfectly straight. And we're all finished.